in a way that wherever we are in the world, we can achieve a daily income of $50 to $100. Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the topic of earning in dollars. My name is Reza, and today I want to show you in this video how you can learn to reach a positive $100 a day with just the mobile phone in your hand. So, stay tuned until the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's continue with the video. I'll put the link here to you, or better to say, the Telegram ID in the video description for you. Simply start the bot and enter this section. If the bot's language is set to any other language and you want to switch it to English, click on the settings option and click on the language option, then select your desired language and paise. In this way, you can easily translate your language to the one you prefer and comfortably use the site's features. Look guys, this site allows you to visit the site, join the Telegram channel, join the Telegram bot, and many other methods for earning income. You can use any of these methods to have your daily income and achieve financial independence in your life. I will teach you methods in the future. These are very, very good methods that can free you from our own financial need and help you achieve financial independence much sooner, now, with just your mobile phone. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and turn on the YouTube bell to be notified of the videos I post. I really love you all. If we click on the referral option, you can earn a very good dollar income through the referral section and through friends, acquaintances, or family you have. You can achieve this dollar income. So my suggestion to you is that if you want to withdraw on this site, then be sure to click on the balance option and use Smarter digital currency. Make your withdrawal. If we now click on the referral option, you can see from this section that you can find your referral link and see how many people have joined your account through this link by registering. Up to 20% of the dollar income that those individuals generate. If those friends can earn $100 a day, you will receive $20. If you invite 10 people to this platform in this way, you can even earn up to $200 a day. Have a very impressive dollar income. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. If you really like my content or the content of others, let me know in the comments. If you have any suggestions or feedback, write them for me. Or if you have a website link that you want me to review, definitely write it in the comments so I can respond. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and I will easily answer them. Subscribe to the channel. This is the only channel I have named In Money Dollar, where you can easily reach a positive income of $1,000 a month with my videos. This was another really cool tip that I had to introduce to you. Soon we will also launch the Telegram channel and we will have a lot of fun together. Make sure to subscribe so we can quickly reach 1,000 subscribers and aim for higher numbers in terms of YouTube subscriptions. I really love you all. Don't forget to like and comment. This is the last video for today and I love you all very much. Goodbye.